Jiahua Machine and Komaman are self-owned brands under Guangdong Jiahua Intelligent Equipment Co., Ltd. Jiahua Machine is a manufacturer dedicated to the R&D, production, and sales of aluminum profile machining centers and automated aluminum window and door processing machines. As early as the 1990s, our founder, Mr. Du, began producing aluminum window and door processing machines, laying a solid foundation for Jiahua Machine in the industry. For over 30 years, Jiahua Machine has adhered to high production standards and strict management principles. Our machines are meticulously designed and rigorously tested to ensure that every product meets quality standards. With integrity and quality as its cornerstone, Jiahua Machine has earned the trust and support of customers, becoming a reliable partner in the aluminum window and door processing industry. In the future, Jiahua Machine will continue to drive development through innovation, providing smarter and more efficient solutions to lead the aluminum window and door processing industry to new heights. Choose Jiahua Machine, choose expertise and reliability.